I'm gonna sit over on the heater for a little bit till I warm up, and then I'm gonna put my clothes I got the hiccups, so I'm gonna put my clothes away and I'm gonna put my clothes away and tidy up my room a bit, but I just need to warm up a little bit first because I'm freezing. So it's now 8:15 and I've got really nothing else to do, but I think I'm gonna go clean my teeth and just hop into bed. I won't be going to sleep till like 10, but at least I, you know, can get cozy and watch videos and stuff until I fall asleep. So I'm gonna go clean my teeth. Murphy, can you please stop? Baba, what you doing? I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go clean my teeth. I'm not gonna wash my face, actually. No, I'm not gonna wash my face because I washed it last night and I don't want to wash it again. But I'm gonna clean my teeth, put my elastics on, and hop into bed and hope my hiccups go away soon. I got a smudge on my camera. In the shadows. Okay, let's clean our teeth. Going to the two-step and cowboy, sweetheart.
You filming the rest of your night routine with hiccups?
Yeah. Ah! That hurt my heart.
Maybe, come on.
Joking. Okay, so I'm done cleaning my teeth, but on my last, I think it was like my morning routine or something, I got into a comment saying that I didn't clean my teeth, but I actually like said in the video, I'm gonna go have a shower and clean my teeth. And because I'd like, sometimes I like to clean my teeth in the shower. So if you guys are wondering, I do clean my teeth every morning and night. I don't know why some people thought I didn't, but I do. So like, okay. So I have finished doing my room. Here it is. Like, I just cleaned up my desk. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna have an early night because I feel like I've been having quite a few late nights lately. So it's 8:45. I'm gonna go to bed probably like 9ish and I'll probably just like stay on my phone until then. So I hope you guys enjoyed I can't talk, it's too late, even though it's not late. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. Again, thank you guys so much for 100k. It's such a big milestone. I just want to say thank you. And I love you all so much, and thanks for all your support and stuff, and thanks for all the congrats. But I'm gonna head off to bed now, so I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Night. Good night. That's really awkward.